Have you ever heard of propolis? It's a natural resin made by bees that forms a protective thermal layer around the hive to keep it at the ideal temperature and keep wind, rain, bacteria, and fungi out. In ancient Egypt, propolis was used as an antiseptic to disinfect wounds and conserve embalmed bodies. Nowadays, it's a very popular medicine used to treat several different diseases. It works mainly on your immune system, strengthening it, and that's how it prevents and cures so many diseases. Today, we're going to show you some of propolis's health benefits. Infections and inflammations. Propolis is great at treating numerous infections and inflammations since it destroys many bacteria and viruses that are harmful to humans. Some of the diseases that propolis fights are angina, dental abscess, pneumonia, influenza, herpes, sore throats, rotavirus, and several itis illnesses such as tonsillitis, pharyngitis, laryngitis, gingivitis, stomatitis, sinusitis, bronchitis, rhinitis, conjunctivitis, among others. Immune system. It can also stimulate the production of antibody-producing cells, which in turn strengthens your immune system and increases your ability to avoid diseases and infections. Cancer. Research by the U.S. National Cancer Institute has produced results that prove that propolis is capable of preventing cancer cell growth and destroying existing cancer cells. However, this research has not yet been confirmed. Healing and tissue regeneration. Propolis is great at curing dermatitis, wounds, ulcers, and burns due to its flavonoids and amino acids. But how can you use propolis to treat day-to-day sicknesses? Here are some simple tips for you to start treating your problem immediately. Sore throat. Gargle this mixture several times a day. Add 4 to 5 drops of propolis extract to a cup of lukewarm water. Healing, stain removal, and pimples. Place 1 or 2 drops of propolis extract on the wound every time you change the bandage. For pimples, apply 1 to 2 drops 4 to 5 times a day. Cough with phlegm or irritation. Make your favorite tea and add 3 to 4 drops of propolis and drink it a few times throughout the day. Respiratory problems. Boil water, put a few drops of propolis extract in it, and breathe in the vapor. You should immediately feel relief from your symptoms and breathe better. Don't forget that, just like any other substance, propolis extract can cause allergies and swelling, redness, itching, or even hives. So before you start using it, perform a sensitivity test. Apply 2 drops of the extract on your forearm and wait 20 to 30 minutes. If nothing happens, you can use it as you wish. If any itching or redness appears, then you probably shouldn't use it. Did you learn a lot about propolis's advantages for your health? Start using it now to experience the benefits of this wonderful bee extract. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.